Hi guys, I'm Sylvia, and today I am going to show you how to make Toy Story cookies. In the last video, I showed you how to make Woody, and today I will show you how to make Buzz. Okay, so for this project, we need already baked round cookies. I made a video for that before, so you can find that. And we need powdered sugar, fondant in different colors. We need black, purple, red, green, blue, and white, and a teeny bit of yellow. And we need the circle cookie cutter that you use to cut your cookies. We need the powdered sugar, something to cut, a knife, an X-Acto, a pizza cutter, or something like that. And I have these really cool edible ink markers, which come in really handy. If you don't have those, you can just skip that part. This is kind of for the overachievers that want to get all the extra detail in there. Or if not, you can also just use some edible black food coloring and paint with that. So let's get this started. So to start, I'm going to grab a little bit of the white fondant and some black fondant. I'm going to roll it out, and I am going to cut the circle in it, and then I'm going to cut the bottom part. You'll see. So let's do that. With a straight edge or a toothpick or something, I'm going to draw some lines for Woody's torso. But that's not the torso, that's the belly area. Whatever, the part, the black part in the middle of his body. It's Buzz's abs, yes. Now with the green, I am going to cut his body. Wait, I don't know what I'm talking about. This is, with the green, I am going to cut the decoration on the top of his outfit, not his body. So I'm going to mark a line right in the middle, and then I'm going to try to cut both sides exactly the same with my X-Acto blade, and then I will glue it to the white part. So this is the shape. Now I'm gonna get, I have little bits of different colors here. I'm gonna get some of the purple for the stripes. I'm going to get some red for the buttons, some blue, and some green for the other buttons. And I'm going to just mold those and cut some of those. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little piece of yellow and I'm going to make the little Lightyear sign up here and then a piece of white for the center shield. Okay, and for the end, I am going to write Lightyear. If you give it a little time, like half an hour or so, it'll probably be better because it'll dry a little bit and it will be easier to write on, but just if you want to be very careful, you can do it right now. So, let's do it. Okay, so this is Buzz Lightyear cookie. I hope you guys gave it a try and enjoyed it. And I also made another video with Woody, so if you want to give that a try. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.